What's up guys, in this video I will show you how you can change your default browser. Normally what happens, whenever you click on any of the link, it by default open that particular URL into your browser, which is by default set to Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer. So in this situation what you can do, you can simply click on the Windows button and go to the settings. In setting, click on the apps. In apps, we got the option which is default apps at the left hand side, and then just scroll all the way down and search for web browser and click on the Microsoft Edge, which is the default one, and here you can choose the alternate browser which you want to set as a default. So let me choose Google Chrome. Okay, it's giving the information before you switch. Try Microsoft Edge. It's it's fast and it's built for Windows 10. So anyhow I want to switch to the Google Chrome, so I'm selecting switch anyway. Now it's got changed to Google Chrome. Now let me click on the same link again and we'll see where it's getting open. Perfect, it's open in Google Chrome. So friends, this is how you can change your default browser with just a few clicks. Friends, if you found this video useful, please click on the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe. This is Sohan signing out.